WTI. I have a bright idea.
That idea is get some good lights so that your photography and videography can be top notch. This is a 6 set by EACHPOLE and I love them. My favorite part about them is no matter how long you have them on, they do not get too hot to touch. So you can easily take them out when you are done. You don't have to let them cool down. Let me show you a little bit of the difference between lights and no lights. This is no lights, and as you see, that shadow right there really makes it unattractive. But with the lighting, you can get rid of those shadows and it looks much better. It also comes as a 6-pack, which for me is phenomenal because I have broken several light bulbs in my life, and it is nice knowing I have enough for my whole set and backups. It's an E26, so it fits in a regular light socket. I just use it with my photography set. Having good lights is really important because I do a lot of my work at night when I have no natural light. So having good lighting is a real challenge for me, but these have definitely made a difference. They're LED, so I know that they are going to last a really long time, so I don't have to worry about them burning out. This is a great set of bulbs. I'm so happy to have them, especially like I said, I have broken some in the past and I love having a whole set that's just ready for me to use. So if you're looking for some nice photography bulbs, these ones really have gotten my vote.
And that's my point of view.